probably over this way. Over this way.
Gotta disassemble before I assemble. It's kind of like a 1 step back, 2 steps forward sort of deal.
27.5. But that's before sealing.
Oh, so it's
Oh my god.
so sorry.
I'm sorry, buddy.
Nate's killing the dog!
I stepped on his foot.
All animal services.
Peter's gonna be pissed.
I got all the parts. Just kidding. These are only some of the parts. But good. Getting this. This is a Cane Creek 40.
40 what?
I don't know. I don't know why they called it that. They probably have a good reason. Take that out. Take that out.
Those dexterous fingers.
Very, very dexterous. Should we put a clip in the video on how this happened? Probably should, right?
Insert clip here.
Yeah. Yes, grease will attract dirt, but I don't really have anything for that. It's still important to use, I think. I don't know. What do I look like? A freaking bike mechanic? I think I'm putting too much, but that's okay, because I can use some of it down here. Just get that crucial low angle. Whoa, that's artsy.
Right down the hole.
Grease up the cups. We're gonna need some doggy B-roll.
Oh, there's plenty already.
Doggy B-roll.
Yeah. We need Chester's really the most important part. Nobody cares about the bike, let's be honest.
Is B-roll just like other clips that are added in that are not part of the main story? Is that what B-roll is?
Yeah, this is B-roll.
This is B-roll.
Yeah. You're gonna be in the editor's cut. The behind that's yep. Alright, is this the headset press? I think this is what we use. The HHP head. Wait, heads. You ruined it. It's been ruined. Ruined. They're gonna get all.
Are you happy with the vibes that it's giving?
Are you trying to like make this like a wedding? It's got to be the perfect moment. Everything's got to be perfect.
This is a big moment, literally.
I mean, this
There's
is
gonna be a bridezilla.
this is
Oh,
kind of. I don't know what that is, Brad, but it's probably knowing you. It's probably something gross.
Going crooked.
Listen, it's okay if it's a little crooked. Oh, I've pinched my. No. Oh, well, it's okay if that. Sorry. We're gonna go. It's going in. This fits a lot better than the shock hardware I got. That sounded bad. Or are you getting like?
Over all the
camera
crazy
section?
lines that were on there.
You saying my video quality is poor? That's not fair.
Are you shooting raw right now?
Are you gonna run out of threads there?
No.
No.
Are you sure about that?
I'm gonna put it in crooked though. That's alright, it's steel. We can just bend it
We
back.
do whatever the fuck we want.
I'm just kidding, it's going in pretty straight. No, it's alright. There's lots of shots we're gonna have to cut out.
Best things that's ever happened.
Oh, it's got to be like my favorite thing to watch
I should
sometimes.
probably take that crusty ass crown race off, shouldn't I?
Yeah,
Sorry, crusty crown race.
Do you have a new one?
I do have a new one.
Then yeah, take that shit off. And slam a new shit on.
Slam that she. Just her. Oh. Hi.
Don't film me doing this.
Want to talk us through these new. Ooh.
The
Ooh.
Not 2.6
Ooh.
Vittoria Barzo 2.6. It measures at like a 2.35. And then we got
Can we get a beverage review?
Mezcal 2.6, which measures at like a 2.53. We got the Fiddlehead IPA.
Ooh,
Not bad.
very nice.
Nobody cares, Brad. I'm sorry. Your tires are cool. You've got some of the coolest rubber around. Use a big hammer. I actually do think the gray sidewall looks pretty good.
I wish more tires were gray sidewall. Give that fork cab ride home. For all that banging.
Oh, do it again.
Oh,
Take two.
Bruh. Stick it in there. We're going no grease first because we got to determine whether or not my steer tube is going to be too short or too long. Too long is usually better than too short because you can always trim some off. And it would appear that it's actually pretty much perfect. So that is pretty epic.
Is that first try?
That is first try, which doesn't happen regularly for me. All right. I'm taking it off. I gotta put spacers on it. I kind of forgot that.
the drop test.
Oh yeah. Dang! Instagram's gonna go crazy over that one.
What you got over there?
Custom bicycle.
Oh.
He wants a Starling. Starling, if you're listening, make the Spur again, all right?
Please make me one. Please.
Ooh. Should I go silver or black? What are we thinking? I think silver might look kind of dope.
Move your
silver.
freaking
Silver
sausage
matches
fingers,
your
dude.
badge.
Oh, the silver.
Oh,
Does it clash or match? Match. Oh, that's okay. We'll do that then. Clash or match. Is that like smash or pass?
Yeah.
Clash or match? A quick grease check. It's not carbon paste. That's good. It's premium grease for bicycles, which this is. Look at that spread. This is a big moment right here. That's enough spacers. Otherwise, I'm gonna look like a real noob. I think I nailed it. I think I'm gonna need one more. Never mind. Oh no! This is. Hold on. Oh. We never claimed this was a dream build. This is like the. This is a wet dream build.
Better or worse than a dream though?
Wow. Whoever installed that starter did a horrible job. It's so crooky. Dude. That's kinda
Starting to look like it might be a bike soon.
it's true. Shifter goes on this side. Actually, I think it goes on this side no matter where you are. That's only the brakes that change sides. For you European or moto folks. I'm not, but that's looking good. I think our lengths are even right, which is incredible. That's just a testament to the
Attention to detail.
attention to detail of Starling. They know what's up. They do it. They do a good job. Almost dropped that.
Sammy
I
would
need
like
bolts.
that.
Sammy would not like that. Where are our brake bolts? Oh, I know where they are.
Focus! There we go.
I'm gonna use SRAM bolts.
For the 5 mil instead of the T20 Fiv.
That's right.
Could I order a pizza for pickup, please?
Are you guys doing food?
Can I get a boneless pizza?
18
I'm not a pizza order guy.
and could I do that with shaved steak, green peppers, and onion, please? No, that'll be all. Nate? That's correct. Marvelous, thank you. Bye. Marvelous, thank you.
That is correct.
I feel like we just prank called the pizza place, but it was so genuine. Oh, that was great.
What do you mean?
I think I know how to route the cable on this, but
That doesn't really sound like a problem. Just put it in.
well, it's all external, so which is how it should be. None of that through the headset crap. We don't like that. Well,
Except it is still kind of through the frame next to it.
it's true. This is way better though, because I'm talking and doing it instead of swearing and doing it.
You don't swear here.
No, that's right. Family friendly. Okay. That should be long enough. I'm thinking this is gonna work. And just do the front ring for now. That doesn't go on. I need to loosen it. I'll take the stickers off of this first.
I'm kind of really digging the way the lyric looks. It kind of matches the mic quite well in its tubular design.
Wow, it's crazy how my fork is tubular.
Well, I mean, like a Zeb's like more angular.
Are you talking about the size of the stanchions too?
Yeah, I think that helps because these are like thin
Yeah.
versus like the you're down to. I don't know why I did that. It's huge.
It's a quite girthy down to.
Yeah.
Girth.
But like you can fit stuff in it. So like I get why they did.
Yeah, you can
it,
bring
but,
snacks.
You know.
Oh, I was recording that.
Like you could put a thermometer up there. Or a...
That's not how you guys test your temperature.
You could. I mean, you could, but why would you?
It's
Phone's awesome.
Oh, I forgot. Freaking T25. Come on.
Oh, it's like kind of snowing right now.
There's accumulation
It's
on the
accumulating.
gi round.
Key round.
I'm just putting this in so I can loosely do up like the cable zip ties. They say cable ties some other places, but not here. Here we say zip ties. Oh no. I fucked it up. Shit.
What'd you do?
I'm gonna have to waste a zip tie, guys.
God.
What I wanted to do. This is not usually how I roll, but I don't feel like I'm doing it, so that's a sad day. Oh boy. We've got a cheesy, circular bread meal.
Cheesy delight.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get plates.
Thank you.
Welcome.
We've got a kind of a bike on our hands here.
Sure about that?
You sure about that?
Like I'd rather have tacos.
Not blood or anything. That's gonna happen. That's gonna happen another day. I don't have the patience to bleed
I
brakes
feel
right
like
now.
tacos are a little bit more real food.
All right, what do we do next? Grips. We put grips on.
I don't even know what you're freaking doing.
Did you lose something?
Slight issue. I cannot find my wheels. It's a lot easier to ride a bicycle when you have 2 wheels. We'll figure this out though. No. Yeah, that's a good point. Watch out.
After you.
You did a good job painting these. I just smashed the rim and it didn't even chip. So, that's cool. Sick wheel set.
Alright, where the tires at? Get to work.
Oh, God. Just ran in the door.
Where are the tires? Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
get to work. And the cook board.
What I'm talking about.
Yeah, baby.
Sick. Now we've got some tires here. Let's go figure out which one we're gonna use. Buying new tires are for nerds. Which one should I use? The DH casing?
The DH casing.
With max grip.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's what you want.
Oh, for sure.
For the front.
Yes.
Alright.
Can I mount that?
You can mount it. You're gonna have to tape the rim.
Okay, give me tape.
It's also a bond treasure, so you
Okay.
could use a rim strip.
What do you want me to use?
You can use whatever you want. Whatever's easier.
He's getting into trouble.
Isn't this a center back here?
Duct tape.
27.5. One of the missing knob.
Oh, I could use that.
Yeah.
Here. Hold on. I'm gonna spread the buttons. No, here. Hold on.
Can you pick me up?
Get a boost.
Oh, and I still can't reach it. Ooh, this tire is dry aged. This thing is gonna roll. If I use this one, I'm gonna be
Gonna
shatter
extra sharp.
fast. Oh. Oh. It dripped on me. Do you need help?
No, I can do it.
I'm getting bars to the face. I got grips on the chin.
Grips on the chin, baby.
Sweet. Awesome. All right. Wheels sorted. What's up?
It's fine. I guess you don't want your tires to seal, but
If you don't want your tires to seal?
yeah.
I thought wider would make them seal better. Oh, wait, wide down here. Oh. Damn. I get double teamed.
Huh?
Come on! Mike Phillips. Stop.
This dog that got caught taking a shit in the
Thank you. I really appreciate that. Why is it so greasy? Also, gosh, I gotta learn how to pick a line. Look how destroyed that thing is. Oh, that was. Had I not had Cushcore, that would have been a day ender.
I really hate to break it to you. Wrong frame if you want to wait.
Oh, I got concerned for a second. I was like, is he actually gonna say something that's bad? But no, you're talking about weight.
I'm worried his words are bad.
I have a steel gearbox bike. I don't think I'm gonna be concerned about the weight.
Or the weenies that are hidden inside of it. Or like a Douglas. Oliver, what's your second choice in tire?
I might buy one. Thanks. Why did Brad shut this? It's a little dark and creepy. Brad, are you alright? Brad? Look at how weird he looks.
Standing in the dark room.
Max Terra double down. DHR2.
No way.
Catch.
Are you serious? What are their
Bam.
other options?
That's what you fucking wanted.
But maybe there's a better one. There might not be a better one.
You're like shaking it around, or like trying to peel back,
if you
to
guys
make it
are
look like you haven't actually
bully
opened
me,
the
at least
present.
film it.
You know? It's a sneak peek.
Hold on.
Where did they go?
He's out, like, that's his best. Phone. My steering will be off, but my chainstay will be upright. I'd get some air in this tire, and then
Go away.
Ooh.
Add some air to that shock.
do you want me to go pull the pedals off of the wand breaker? They're like the spare shop pedals. Yeah. Let's get a good angle. Alright. Look at how good my suspension is. Right?
Wow.
That's how you want it.
How much more good can you get?
Not much gooder.
Dang.
It does look kind of cool. It does look cool. I can't. I get why the Instagram videos go viral. It makes sense, but. Alright. Install the dropper. Lower down tube exit.
Lower?
Upper. Upper. It was upper. It was above. It came up.
Yeah. And then this is your upper non-drive side down tube exit porthole.
There we go. That's good.
Oh god, that one.
Oh, you saw it.
rate. What do you rate your wiener?
He said that dog's barking 5 stars.
We.
It's like that was the coolest thing.
It'd be a pretty good product, honestly, to sell like weights that you can strap to your bike and call them weight weenies.
I already got the name figured out.
I think that's how most of the bike industry works. Get the marketing planned out, and then build a product around it.
Yep. The marketing will sell it. Don't worry about anything else. It doesn't actually have to be good.
Dude, I can totally see that. Hear me out.
I'm hearing that.
They're shaped like weenies.
Any reason for brass?
There's 10
Dents?
Yeah. Just dents in it. They're shaped like weenies though.
Yeah, of course.
But they're bar bends. You stick them into your bars using hand and arm fatigue.
Zach would so buy that.
Right? Did I not just make a marketable product?
I wasn't listening, but it
Weight
sounded
weenies.
cool.
Where's the derailleur?
Single speed? Is that an e-bike?
Is that where the motor is?
Is that where's the battery?
Yeah, terrible.
Garbage.
Awful.
I'll trade.
Dude.
They only had the flanged ones.
I sold the flangeless ones the other day.
You suck, bro. I mean, flange kind of looks dope, though.
Kind of looks way more BMX.
Is it gonna interfere with my stuff, though?
Probably.
Fucking rip him sideways, face first to the ground, knocked out cold. Whoop! Ooh!
Are you really not gonna put the grips on right now?
I brought this out here just for you. Wow. It's kind of making a lot of like clunks.
Well, I think it's this hitting. Dude, that's crazy how fast it shifts.
Yeah.
Like it's just instant. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I came out here.
Thought he was gonna do a lap.
I thought it was too.
Immediately.
So you can shift into a harder gear under low. If you sprint dude. Shifting into a harder gear, it'll do it instantly. Going into an easier gear, you have to go under.
That's so fucking sick.
Because that's what you kind of need to do. So if you shift, you can shift it while pedaling. It just won't make it into the easier